Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply coupon auto in WooCommerce WordPress using plugin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, and then you see have a promotional code. So we are going to apply coupon code auto. Now go to dashboard, scroll down on left side, you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write auto coupon for WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now. Then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated and scroll down on left side you see marketing and then you see coupons. So click on it. Now scroll down, you see we have multiple coupons. So click on edit according to your requirement. Now we are in edit coupon section and scroll down, you see auto coupon. Now you see coupon amount 25% discount. Now you see apply via URL or auto apply. Now click on auto apply and then you see this setting will apply the coupon to all qualifying cart on the cart and checkout page. Okay. Now you see line item name, drop down select discount and then you see minimum cart quantity optional, or you can add number according to your requirement. Minimum cart quantity 3 and then you see display a notification when quantity in cart is less than minimum quantity of coupon. Yes, enable. Then you see notification field, so you can add notification message according to your requirement. Now you see question mark, notification when quantity limit not satisfied, if blank will use the default notification. And then you see maximum card quantity, so you can add number according to your requirement, but we used minimum card quantity. And then click on update. Now coupon updated done. Go to cart page. So we have more than 3 quantities in cart. Now you see. So refresh the page. Now you see coupon code applied successfully. We have 5 items in our cart, more than 3. Now back to edit coupon and scroll down. You see auto coupon section and then you see minimum cart quantity 3. So you can set number according to your requirement. Back to cart page and then you see subtotal and then you see discount. So this is our coupon code. Now amount deduction and then you see flat rate $20 and total amount is this. So in this way you can apply coupon auto in WooCommerce cart and checkout page using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.